Hello and welcome to Essential Technology. This is Mr. Golias. Just taking a quick look at Canvas. I know it's new, so this is the home page on a student view. Probably the most important thing for you, you can click the link here to email me. If you struggle to figure out how to do that, I put a little video for you. You're watching the video that will be right here. And this is super important. Every day there'll be the daily agenda. And notice it says daily announcement, and here there will be a link with a video every day that you can follow along and see what we're going to do, and it'll help you understand better the items underneath. So that is the biggest takeaway for navigating. Make sure you use the agenda and follow the link. Next is the modules and assignments. You'll mostly interact with modules. So if I click on that now in the student view, the first assignment is there, which is the dream board. And if all I want to do with any assignment is just follow the link. Sometimes it'll say formative or summative, and there's two links, but for this case, there's just one, which will be a formative or summative. And here is the dream board, and you'll be able to just follow through all the directions. The daily announcements will walk you through the directions, and I'll have links in here to help you out every single time. So you'll be able to control the pace of your learning. But that's really important. Now, the assignments is basically where you would be able to turn in your assignment as well, which we'll talk about later, but I'm going to give you a hint. We are going to use Flipgrid a ton, and the mass majority of your turn-ins will actually be in Flipgrid, which I'll provide a link for you to turn in, and we'll certainly talk about that in class. Okay, so I left the student view to show you discussions because it's not going to show up yet. So when we get to the agenda, a lot of time it's going to say questions of the day, and those are going to be found in discussions. Once the first class starts, this will actually be posted, and all I would have, once you are able to see it, you would just click on it, and each day will be numbered, and then you're just going to click reply. So for the first one, talks about how difficult was it to get to Canvas. So I would just put a number 1, and I'd be able to start there, put my answer, number 2, and then number 3. And then I'll just click this post reply button at the bottom, and then I'm done. So those are just a few different ways that you're going to be able to navigate Canvas as we get started. I wanted to make this real simple and real easy as we get going. And hopefully that's what you'll find it. And we'll build up on this and make it, add in some more as the course progresses. But this will get us through the first few weeks. Good luck.